Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aries, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out here. So keep that in mind, take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again and for all your loving support. I'm very blessed to have you all here. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aries, Knight of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, the Hanged Man, Nine of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Three of Wands, and the Five of Pentacles. Somebody is feeling very foolish, Aries, here. There is no new beginning being offered. To be honest, I started the reading 2 minutes ago before this, and I got similar cards, and I said, what is happening here? And then I got distracted and I had to shut the video down. I was hoping for a better message, but it's almost similar here. There was a fight here, Aries. There was somebody is thinking about some fight or some harsh words that were spoken. Since then, I think you guys have been holding back. There is one person in this dynamic who feels that they lost. They do want to come out of this stuck place, do want to end this fight, but things are very stagnant, and because of that, there is a lot of stress going on. I don't see this person moving, but they are waiting, feeling very left out and miserable in their life. Look at this. What this message needs to say, I have no clue at the moment. Of course, once I clarify, I'll have more of an idea. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see what's happening. Aries and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aries and their person. And Aries, if any of you are looking for a personal read, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aries and their person. Alright, I think I've got enough from here. I'm going to take a few more from here, Aries. Aries, oops, okay. Aries and their person. All right, and a couple more from here, and then we begin your reading. All right, good to go. Aries, the first card here says, I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. Wasn't this the same message you got for your love read as well? They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that, and the thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. I'm pretty sure, Aries, this is the same card you got just a few days ago for your love read as well. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in your relationship, in you and our relationship anymore. I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from all this and heal myself. I enjoy dating and keeping things casual as I'm not wanting to settle down yet. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. Every night I just want to be home. Home is in your arms. It irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I'm doing everything I can to learn and grow to become a better person. You tease me and make fun of my beliefs, and I find this really hurtful as you're unwilling to even talk with me about them. Your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. You're never alone because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you are sad, I'll help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you, even when you don't see me. I'm under so much stress. Yeah, that I saw from the reading. Somebody's under a lot of stress. You're all I desire. Alright, Aries, these were some of the messages between you and your person. Now let me see what's happening here. I'm going to clarify these cards, but first I'm going to take an angel blessing card, as always, and see if there is a blessing, guidance, advice. Practice makes perfect. I think the last time you got steady progress, and now here you have practice makes perfect. So Aries, whatever you've been doing, continue doing that, because you're doing a great job. This could be not just because of this person or this relationship, even otherwise in life. Spirit is saying whatever you're doing, continue to practice doing that. If you've started a new hobby, a new business, a new exercise regime, or just a different way of behaving, continue doing that. Practice makes perfect. Now let's see what's happening in this reading. So Spirit, what's this Knight of Swords and the Four of Pentacles? Knight of Swords. What's happening to the cards today? Okay, Knight, really? Okay, I'm going to try a third time. Knight of Swords. Okay, so chaotic energy. Oh my God, it is chaotic. I'm not being able to shuffle. Look at this. Imbalance. That's exactly what was happening with my cards, and so much stress and so much overthinking. All this overthinking is happening because of some fight which happened, Aries, between you and your person. What's this Four of Pentacles, Spirit? Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody is holding back now because, holding back. Four of Pentacles is clarified by the Four of Pentacles. I feel both of you are holding back from each other right now, and a lot of delay has happened now already in this connection. Maybe a lot of time has gone by. Both of you are stubbornly holding on. Nobody is willing to budge, all because of somebody's very, very immature behavior in this connection, Aries. Somebody was not wanting to settle down, or they were wanting to be a player. Some foolish moves were made here, Aries, by this person who didn't do the right thing. And since then, there is stress, there is overthinking, there's been a fight, and both of you have been holding back. Seven of Swords in reverse. So whatever games were being played, I feel, Aries, by whoever was the mischievous one in this connection. Yes, again, the same card. I mean, how many times am I going to get this card, Spirit? Knight of Swords clarified by the Knight of Swords now. So whatever fight, whoever created this fight, Spirit is saying, is the person who is now the complete loser, who's feeling absolutely foolish about what they've done. Seven of Swords in reverse. Somebody lied, somebody was cold, rude, mean, some said some harsh words, and now they are thinking of all that, Aries, thinking of this fight. I mean, it's all over my board today, and feeling like, oh my God, what was the point? I lost my person. I lost the fight. I'm the one who wanted to have it my way, and I made a very, very foolish mistake here. So the Hanged Man in reverse, Spirit. Hanged Man in reverse. Somebody wants to get out of this stuck place. They do want to fight for this connection, I think, one more time. They know they haven't invested in the past. They haven't put in any work. They don't know how to now fight for this connection because they have nothing to work with. Yes, and that's making them feel very heartbroken. They have no leverage. They have nothing to start back with, if you know what I mean. Somebody who never put in any work, with what excuse can they come back? That's making somebody feel very, very heartbroken, even though they really want this fight to end. 9 of Wands in reverse. They don't want to hold back, or they don't want their person to hold back. There's a lot of blockage they feel right now. They're unable to actually, kind of just pick up their car and come visit you or call you. And there's just so much stagnancy. They do want to start again. They do want to begin again. They do want to start from scratch because they have so much regret, so much sorrow. They feel so bad that they probably breadcrumbed you, or vice versa. They do want to come back now with an offer of equal give and take. But the problem here, Aries, is that everything has become so stagnant that all they can do is overthink. This person is totally overstressed. I don't know whether this is you or the cross watcher. So somebody who created this fight is the one who's now feeling sad, regretful. 8 of Swords, Spirit. 8 of Swords. What's this 8 of Swords? They've made a choice. They have made a choice to come back and do the responsible thing, from what I feel. But again, same card again, 7 of Swords in reverse. They feel like such a loser right now. They feel there's so much silence between the two of you. Now I think they've tapped into maybe their inner guides or something. There's something that they have realized. There's some enlightenment which has come to them about this connection. They do want to show up now in a proper light as the King of Pentacles. They've made their choice, but they can't stop feeling that they've lost the battle already. 3 of Wands, Spirit. 3 of Wands. I think all they can do is wait for some kind of a reunion or a reconciliation. My God, this person wants you back big time, Aries. They have... 1 minute. What's this 3 of Wands, Spirit? It's a very strange message today. I didn't expect this. Aries, this person can do nothing but wait. They can do nothing but wait right now. They're wishing and hoping for a reconciliation. They do want a solid connection with you once again. But what happens is, Aries, this person is still in healing mode, or they've retreated, or they're overthinking this. All they keep doing is thinking about this fight. This is like 24/7. That's all they think about, and that makes them feel rather defeated. They feel like they've murdered a relationship, literally. They feel that horrible, and instead of taking action, this is how they're feeling. Left behind, feeling left out, feeling abandoned. 5 of Pentacles, Spirit. 5 of Pentacles. Yes, depressed. My God, this person is in very low vibration at the moment. Oh my God. I mean, you have to see the cards to believe them. 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, feeling bored, neglected, sad, depressed, feeling left out in the cold, and having sleepless nights. Having nightmares. So why is this reading here, Spirit? What do you want Aries to know? So it says, I want Aries to know that whatever said and done, this person still wants the 10 of Pentacles with you. They still want to have victory in this connection, and we just want the other person, I don't know whether Aries, this is you or the person who is not even on my board right now, they want that person to know that yes, they are really suffering for whatever words were exchanged or whatever fight they created. It's all being thrown on their face right now, and they're going through their karma. But after all said and done, they are still wishing and hoping for a happily ever after with you. They still want to have victory with you, even though they feel they've lost their chance. So maybe this is just a feel good factor, I think, for the other party to get validation that you were not at fault, and this person is recognizing their fault, and they still see the other person as their be all and end all. Let me take a card for this Fool card in reverse. What's this Fool card in reverse, Spirit? There has to be something more than just telling us that this person is miserable. Fool card. One more. Okay, it's the same. I'm sorry, it's the same message, Aries. Somebody is feeling rather foolish. They're feeling rather foolish. They never brought any justice into this connection. They do want to return. They do want their person to return, but they're rather confused. They're very confused on how to heal this connection, how to reach this Ten of Pentacles now with you. How to reach this Ten of Pentacles with you, because they fear if they do communicate now, after so much of time has gone by and so much of stagnancy has happened, they're going to get outright rejected. And I know I'm going to get a lot of comments today from the other person to say, yes, we don't want them back or whatever. So just chill. Let's just have a little compassion for this person. They are really, really going through it, Aries. Okay, somebody is really going through it. I mean, their heart is in the right place now. They desperately want to change things around, but somebody is very, very nervous. They're very depressed. They're very sad. If I don't know why this reading is here, but that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.